Hello guys, and welcome to day 3 of our 90 days data science with Python training program. So today we'll be looking at operators in Python. So what are operators? These are just symbols or key words that perform operations on values, right, on variables and values. So we can use them to manipulate data and also to perform computation. So there are different types of operators. We have arithmetic operators, we have comparison operators, we have logical operators, we have assignment operators, we have bitwise operators, we have membership, we have identity operators, and we also have ternary operators. So we're going to look at them one at a time. So we'll start with the arithmetic operator. So with the arithmetic operator, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, division. So I'm just going to do two variables: x is equals to 9 and y is equals to 4. So there I'm just going to do I can just do x plus y. So okay, now you can do print, right? I just wanted to do that, but let's do print x plus y. So I'm going to run the first time. Right, so it gives me 13. So I'm just going to do the same thing for all the other operators. So I'll just copy u, and each time I'll paste here and just put change to minus. Then I'll just do the same thing and change to multiplication. Then I'll do the same thing and just change to division. Then I have the floor division, which returns after division, it returns the nearest the quotient. It's rounded to the nearest integer. And then also we have modulus division, which returns the remainder after an integer division. And then we have exponent, so which is double, and so I'll just put x like that. So 13, 5, and then multiplication is 36, then division is 2.25, then we have the floor division, which is 2, and so this part is rounded down to 2, and then the remainder of 9 divided by 2 is 1. 9 divided by 4 is 1, and then also 9 raised to the power 2 is 81. So now we go to comparison operators. So I'll put another cell for comparison operators. So for comparison operators, we're looking at equality, we are looking at not equal to. So I'll just do x was the same 9 and my y was 4. Right, so I'm just going to do the same print, and now I'll be doing equality. I'll do like that, right? Not equal to, I will do like this, right? Not equal to. So this will return true, false if it's equal, and then right, and I'll put greater than, right? Then here I'll put greater than or equals to, greater than or equals to, and then here I do less than or equals to, right? So like that, less than or less than equals to. So it return, they are not equal, so it return false. Yes, they are not equal is true. X 9 is bigger than 4 is true, is bigger than is true, and true, right? So apart from that, we have the logical operators where we have and, or, and not. So now I'm also going to do an example here. So in this case, so we have the first case, which is the logical and. So it will return true if both conditions are true. So I'm going to do x is 9 again and y is 4. So I'm going to do if x is greater than 2 and y is greater than 0, then print yes, right? So it prints me yes. Now the next one is it will return true. So what if this was like this, right? It was less than. So well, nothing gets printed because one side does not hold. This condition does not hold, so nothing gets printed. So if I had an else case here, right, and then this else case was supposed to print me no, then you see that no will get printed, right? Because one side of the condition does not hold. Now if I put another mark down again, and so I'm still going to use x and y, so and for now the logical or So I'm going to do if x is greater than 0 or y is less than 0, right? So this one side has to be positive, right? Print y, right? Just one side has to be true, right? If anyone is true, then it's fine, right? So then we have we have, so now then we have the not, right? We just reverses it, so I can just put not not x. Let's see, right? It gives me false, right? It's not x, right? So it's supposed to give false, right? So it just refers the logical state of it, right? So that is it. Or if I can put not x greater than y, something like that, right? So it's false. But if I do something like this, right? So it tells me true because x is not actually, right? So it just reverses it. Now apart from that, we have the assignment operators, right? So for the assignment operators, right, so I have the equal sign, which we have already been using. We have already been saying that x equals to 9, so I've already been using that. Then we have, I'll explain 1 and 2. So we have x plus equals to 2, for example. Now this means that we should take the value of x, we do x plus 2, right? So if I print out x, so I should have the 11, right? So basically this is it. Now which means that if I had bed multiplication here, that would be 9 times 2, right? So if I had bed division here, that would be 9 divided by 2. If I had bed floor division, so my answer will be 4. If I have bed double exponent here, the answer will be 81, right? Just like that, right? So we should be we should know how to go about this. Then now we have bitwise operators. Now for the bitwise operators, so I'm going to have two examples.